and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we are going to take a closer look at the project called Metaplaces. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So always do your own research. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such videos. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so this is the website of Metaplace. You can access it by going to meta-places.io. As per the website, you can own your own Metaplace, your luxury property in the metaverse. You can own your property as an NFT, showcase your NFT collection in your house and invite friends over to watch TV and listen to music together. It's a truly dynamic NFT and you can customize your own NFT in real time. So basically you have to upload up to 3 pictures of your favorite NFT picture to showcase in your house and it will be reflected on this section. You can also change your NFT render, so you can click either an exterior view or an interior view just to see your NFT listed in this house, as you can see over here. So somebody probably uploaded 3 of their favorite NFTs and they have been placed in their house. You can also get an exterior view, so as you can see from the outside you can see these 3 NFTs. You can also get social in the metaverse and invite people to your place to hang out and chill with you. You can share this unique public URL with your friends and stay connected with them in this world. Not just that, you also can customize your interior decoration, colors, furnitures, as well as your car and make it more customizable for you. And you can buy and sell in their marketplace. So the metaverse real estate marketplace will be integrated with OpenSea. So over there, essentially you will have these meta places where you can buy them, sell them, trade them, and do a lot of fun stuff with it. So basically Metaplace is the house that will be located in the metaverse. So each NFT owner will have this URL where they can connect it to the MetaMask account. Over here you can connect it to the MetaMask account and you are in your house in 3D. You can walk around inside, customize some stuff, furniture, color, textures, whatever you want, and you will be able to display on the walls your favorite NFT or your favorite NFT collection. And they're going to develop synergies with other NFT projects, like a project for example which makes 3D furniture in NFT, and they will be able to integrate them in their house and to give the people out there the possibility of being able to buy them and to put them in their house. It's actually creating like this own digital house in the metaverse and then just arranging different elements to make it more customizable and fun for you. And this is the roadmap of the company. So in the March 2022, minting would have taken place. So dynamic NFT, so you can change your properties view, showcase your NFT collection. There will be real estate marketplace. You can sell and buy properties in the OpenSea integrated marketplace, and you can customize your interior, furniture, car, basically customize your house in the Q3 of 2022. Then there will be metaverse in the Q3 2022. So in-person avatars where you can choose your avatars when you visit Metaplaces and whitelist your friends. There will be dynamic house features, so you can broadcast your screen and music to the cinema, TV and speakers. There will be commerce and offices as well. So they will be introducing workplaces where you can sell goods and run online virtual meetings. You can also rent your place, so that's really realistic, I would say. So you can earn passive income simply by renting out your place. They also have Metaplaces World, so creation of the Metaplaces World where your place can coexist with the other places out there. So that's a rough layout of what they have in store for the project out there. And this is the team behind this project. So we have Positron, who is the founder and CTO. He's owner of multiple tech startups. You can also check him out on Discord and Twitter, which is really good because I really like it when they put their social links. It just makes the project and the team members look a lot more legitimate. We have the Oracle, who is the co-founder and CMO as well. He has been a marketing director of major luxury brands. We have Meta Architect, who is an architect and he's the owner of an award-winning architecture fund. We have Morpheus, Morpheus, who is an investor and he's the founder of multiple crypto and tech startups. We have Cypher, who is an investor and he's also the founder of fintech startups. Now I want to show you guys a quick live demo just to get a bit more understanding of the Metaplaces. So we're gonna click live demo over here, and over here, as you can see, you can manage your NFTs, and we have marketplace section as well, and over here you can log out. So next you're gonna come to this page where you can see we have multiple NFT listed over here. So let's say we really like marketplace #38. So what you can do is you can either tab along with an exterior view or an interior view, or you can click customize over here and make this place more customizable for you. You can also share this URL with people who you want to invite to this marketplace. And over here you can add your own portraits or your own NFT and click save, and these NFTs will be reflected in your marketplace. So that's really cool. When you're done customizing your marketplace, you can click over here. Next you will end up at this page. So this is just like a demo listing. The project is still yet to work on this. So over here you're gonna see your NFT that you have put in on each of these places, and then you can click buy now if you want to purchase a certain Metaplaces. And currently they are working on this new room in the house, and the owners will have the possibility to choose it as well. It will be more like a personal art gallery, a cinema room, or a discotheque. We don't know yet, but stay tuned with the project to know more about it. And not just that, they will be also adding a voice chat to the house in it, and the whole thing will be mobile friendly without having to install anything, any application. All you need is a URL address on a browser, and that's it. The voice chat will be put into the houses. And the whole concept revolves around giving people the opportunity to enjoy their home or their NFT, and then they will have no interest in minting it and selling it immediately. So that's really cool. And even before the mint, they will release a testable demo of what navigation within the house shall look like. So if you are somebody out there who wants to get whitelisted for Metaplaces, all you need to do is join their Discord channel. In the Discord channel link, you're going to read about the whitelisting instructions. So definitely check them out. You're going to click over here to access their Discord page and click accept invite. Once you do that, you will be connected to the 21,100 members, and you can see how to get whitelisted in the conversations and the prompts. It will also be possible for you to whitelist friends and invite them to visit, and there will be a virtual avatar creation as well, or the other projects that makes avatar will also be able to use their avatars in this house. And this is the Twitter page of Metaplaces. Currently they do have following of 36.5k followers, which is pretty impressive considering this project is still new. And over here they would make regular updates about the new properties, new features they are launching, so definitely worth checking out. I do believe that Metaplaces is quite an interesting project. It does have real world use case scenario of your NFTs that you purchase, because now you can actually use them in your house and just enjoy them and like have more use case scenario than just minting and selling it out there. So overall, I'm really excited about the Metaplaces. I do feel it has a big potential to grow and scale in future. Definitely check it out. I'm gonna post all the links in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a lovely day ahead, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And till then, take care. Bye.